can sing happy birthday in 1 second. Here we go. Happy birthday to you. Don't believe me? Put it in slow-mo to find out. But I just did it, so.